Welcome to the jungle of Da Nang. We are here at the beginning of Bana Hills and we're gonna check in our friend Adam to the Mercure Hotel. We're gonna also do a Mercure Hotel review. I got Marcus with me. Woo! This is a Mercure Hotel review from Bana Hills. We're gonna go all the way up. We don't know anything, but we will find out in this video. Is the hotel good? How does the whole process work? And how is Bana Hills? For 2.5 years, I did not want to come here to Bana Hills because I heard it's a French village. But now, for my German friends, they told me it's actually a Bavarian village too. Look at this. It's a Bavarian village. And since it's a Bavarian village and I'm from Bavaria, we will go there and check it out.
And also, they have an experienced German brewmasters.
Nice. The Grab driver took us now all the way here. This is not the Bana Hills entry. I think this is the Mercure Hotel entry. I don't know how to get up there, but we will find out. We paid 281,000 dong, so around 10 bucks to come here. It took like 30 minutes. Pretty far away. I did not know that it was so far away, but yeah, we will see.
Something between 25 and 30 kilometers from Da Nang.
All right, now here this is the check-in area. All right, but it says still French village. Oh. They should call it German village, please, okay? German.
Because now the Germans are ahead.
Okay, but we're gonna make it a German village now. You ready?
Yes, look at these
Take it away from the French. All right, this is how it looks. That's the check-in. Okay, so Adam just checked in. He had to pay 665,000 dong to go up the hill. It's a discounted price, and now we have to get our price.
Yes.
Because we are just a day guest. So this is what we paid now, 950,000.
Where are you from?
Germany.
Thank you.
We're getting free beer. German free beer. Oh my God, okay.
I think we are on the wrong side. Yeah.
My
I
God.
don't know if the balance speaker.
Oh shit, really? I think.
So after 10-15 minutes, we are arriving slowly here now, I think, to the hotel, and they're building something huge over here. I'm not sure what's going to happen in here.
They say it's building futures.
And it already looks very nice. All right, guys, we have just arrived now. I think this is already the main square, but the Mercure guy is taking the luggage here, so we're gonna follow him. But this looks already crazy. Look how many people there are. Look how many people there are. This is insane. Lots of people wear hats. That's most likely some tour groups. But here is the hotel right away, the Mercure Hotel, and it's called Hôtel de Paris. Okay, this here is downstairs, and this here is the check-in area here. It's very busy here. I'm not sure what's going on over here. Where he brings us. Priority welcome. All right. So this here is the check-in area. Xin chào. All right, here, check-in. Yo, okay.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, so you're sitting here and doing the check-in over here. All right, and you have a little bit of a... Are you such a VIP, Adam?
Wow, this is living, isn't it?
All right, all right. Okay, so now they're checking us in, and then we're gonna take a look at the hotel room.
Go at 5 p.m.
We are here, and there's a cable car to the hand, actually.
Tomorrow
It's
and
very crazy.
in early morning we have golden hour for
So she just explained, if you're staying in the Mercure Hotel, you can take the first trip, sunrise trip at 6 a.m. to the hands, and then you most likely be very by yourself. So you have the best pictures. 6 a.m. the first cable car, just for hotel guests. Okay, we are still here in the downstairs, and we're gonna take the elevator now. On the second floor.
floor.
Yeah. Okay. This here is the way to the rooms, I guess. Oh, yeah, perfect. That's here. So it's very, very central. It smells like an old French village, yeah. All right. All right, so this is the hotel room at the Mercure Village, Bana Hills. So you got a mirror over here, sink, retro style, glass bottles, ooh la la, elemental herbix liquid soap. Okay, so here is the toilet, bum gun, check, no view. And this here is the shower. Okay, looks neat. Looks neat. Okay, you got a safety box over here. You got a refrigerator. Got a kettle. And now it looks like in the 1800s or something here. But can you jump on your bed? Check out. I think it looks very nice and neat, but old school. Is it comfortable?
It's okay.
All right. Okay, you got some little French ooh la la laying down thingy. And you see a Japanese sushi bar over there. Oh man.
Japan now.
Yeah, it's a Japanese sushi bar over there. Okay, and you get some Vietnamese apples and some little snacks here as well. Okay, and this is most likely because it's getting a little bit cooler over here. You got a smart TV from Samsung. All right, you got some paintings over there. A very antique lamp. Nice, that's nice, okay. And yeah, if you're at it, you go one more up and press like and subscribe. 4 pillows, I like that. Okay. The AC unit is also very nice, central AC unit. You get a connecting door here, make sure it's closed, all right. So if you're family, you can also get 2 rooms next door. How is that looking here? You got some ropes. All right, cool, nice. Okay, let's check out the pool. So you go out the hotel room and you're straight in the middle of the action, okay? And I don't know where the pool is, but we're gonna find out now. My God, look at how many people there are. It looks pretty impressive, to be honest. But let's check out how we can go to the pool. I did not even know they have a pool there. So for the pool, you have to actually cross the streets here. Somewhere over there, you have to go, and you cannot go with the bathrobe to the pool, I guess. Or maybe you can. Why not? Okay, guys, we are on the way to the swimming pool. I don't know where it is. Somewhere here, maybe. This is crazy. What a way to a swimming pool, huh? Swimming pool over there. You have some seating over here. Looks like Europe here. Huh? Smoking a cigarette in a cafe. The typical French breakfast. There's the swimming pool. 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Now we need your card.
Yeah.
Oh, it's open.
The card today.
Pool? No, you need a card, yeah. All right. Oh, look at this. That looks so retro here. Whoa. So this is the swimming pool and no one is using it. And they're having some French music playing. You got even for kids only. Sorry, Marcus. I'm sorry. All right. So what do they have here still? A little bit over there. You can play basketball in the pool area. I don't think anyone is here. You can relax here. Xin chao. What is this? I think this is also for children. I think this might be very nice for children here. Look at this. Oh, wow. What's going on here? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh la la. So this is the children's area. Imagine if you come here with the family, that might be cool. Even though there's so much to do all over, than going to this indoor pool, which is so, not much water in there. Huh. But it looks very interesting. And I think there's a restaurant on top over here. Maison de Roi. Marcus, do it. Oh! Oh! My God, the Aussies win! Oh, all right. Adam also gonna send me some footage here how the breakfast will look like, and he will tell me how it is. But yeah, this is what you get when you have the Mercure. The most important thing is you have access before and after everyone is leaving. Then you have the whole place for yourself, especially in the morning if you want to make cool photos or want to relax, want to check out everything by yourself without all the tourist buses coming. So then I think that's the biggest selling point. The bed looks very nice and everything, and breakfast we will find out soon. I will write it here. But the beautiful view you can get without having a hotel. And we will explore the whole place. So don't forget to check out my walking tour I'm gonna do here. I will link it down here. We'll do a whole walking tour right now for my walking channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next time. And here's the money shot of the Golden Bridge. It is not as full as I thought it would be. Look at this, it's just Marcus.
It's just me.